Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. What is more, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to pick it from the list. You won't have to go through the whole operation of adding the account. So here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see here, we've got another section which is connected with the backup. So here you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got the backup details, so what has already been backed up. And here advanced settings. And I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So thanks to this, you can be sure that you will not be charged for accessing the limit of the data, because your device will back up everything with the usage of the Wi-Fi. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. And as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.